What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up and use your BlueSky account. So BlueSky is a new Twitter, or now as it's called X, alternative, and you can install it on your phone or use it on your computer. So I've installed it on my phone. This is the icon with the blue icon with the white butterfly in it. So I'll open it, and that's how it looks like. So you can sign in here or create an account. For me, I'll just create a new account. And here you can choose your hosting provider. They have lots of servers that you can choose from. For me, I'll stick with the default server. Here I need to enter. Okay, and now I'll choose a password. And the date of birth, I'll just enter a random date just for the sake of this video. Okay, done. And then next. And here I need to input my user handle, or like my username, similar to Twitter or X. So let me see, for example, John Smith, adding some random digits. Okay, next. Okay, now I need to complete challenge or just verify that I'm a human. Okay, I don't want to allow it to send notifications now. I need to add a profile picture. I can create an avatar instead just for this video. Okay, this icon in blue seems good. Continue. What are my interests? Let's say food, culture, news. Okay, I'm ready to go. And here is my feed. So as you can see here, I have my feed similar to what you'll find on Twitter or X. You have your feed here. You can go to search here. You have the tab at the bottom where you have your options. You can search for like accounts or stuff that you want. You can view here your conversations or your DMs. You don't have any. Here are your notifications, and your avatar is where your account is. So as you can see here, my account name, my handle, and I only have 1 following and 0 followers. Here you can see all your posts, replies, media, likes, feeds, and other stuff. And you can click here on the edit profile button on the right, or on the 3 dots next to it to share it or add to lists. Now let's go back to the home. And here at the top left, you have the 3 lines here where you can access, like for a shortcut, the same like items that are on the bottom. Plus you can see your profile and your settings. So if I go to my settings, for example, here I can access all the settings for my account. And if I choose, for example, the account settings, I can edit my email, birthday, password, and the handle to verify my account. So this is the default handle, bsky.social. And if I have my own domain name, I can tap on I have my own domain, add my domain name, confirm it by adding the DNS records, and then my account will be confirmed and my handle will be changed.